Hello, I'm Carol Schlueter, Director of the German American Cultural Center and Museum in Gretna, Louisiana. And I'm here to talk about our Hurricane Ida damage that we had, where our carpet got wet and had to be removed. Now that's been some months ago, but we've been waiting ever since for new flooring to come in. And so it was quite a process. Getting it all approved with Jefferson Parish, who owns our building. But the good news is the project began, and here's the progress. Here we are on floor day. And this is before. As the workers unpack the boxes and get ready to bring in our new vinyl plank flooring. It's the end of day one, and now you can see floors look all clean and nice. This is a kind of a concrete solution they put down first. It has to be sanded in the morning before they put down the glue for the vinyl planks, but it's all about progress. It is day 3, and I'm happy to announce that our new floor is completed. It's a very rich looking, nice brown. We're very pleased with how it turned out. It's going to be really terrific to get all the museum exhibits and everything back into place. And I know you're all our members are going to be thrilled to see this. We have to wait about a week while the glue cures before we can move our furniture back in. But that will be happening soon, and that means that COVID permitting, we can start having our monthly membership dinners. So stay tuned for that. We look forward to showing this off to everybody. Thank you for your patience while we've gone through this.